how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you want to upload high quality pictures on your Facebook account, you need to go into your settings. So we're just going to click on the top right over here and then go into settings and privacy and then go into settings once more. Now when you go into settings, you want to head on over and you're going to go into your media preferences. So we're going to go ahead and go into media right under preferences on the left. Then you have autoplay animations, always show captions, quiet mode, and then video default quality. Now if you're on the mobile version of Facebook, you will have HD photo option, so you're just going to turn this on and you're not going to post photos in a lower quality. Instead, they will be posted automatically in the higher quality. Now when you're uploading via your desktop, it's always going to be the quality that is being uploaded, but sometimes when you're uploading from your phone, it degrades the quality, which can be prevented within these settings. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like.